limit for speaking to Korean YouTubers and drama.
Not for uno, me realize uno style. From we migrate Jamaica, we can't talk more while. But let me tell you something. Anything about Jamaica, no matter which part in the world we're there, we still have the right to express our views. For when you look on our bird paper, and still Jamaica it say. So me I gonna ask enough for them, one enough like the blackhead them up in a millie face, to kindly step aside. And no time no for no come out for me. Member, government send no for stay inside. In fact, I only me come for represent. So only just keep on them out, make Zandrama address the government. Government. Now that we follow the rules and we stay home, we have a question. We don't have no income, but we still have bills. So government, what's the plan? A certain leader the other day was giving a public address, and when me take a stock, the current lock off in the Midland speech and everything went black. That has shown a sign, say JPS now play. Because that was a one-off time for Uno. But for poor people, that are every day. We're not going to disrespect anybody's mother because we express ourselves with respect. But you tell the people them to stay home. So what the people them a get? I couldn't look about them when me see the politician them oppose with. Because the mere fact that you can't carry it, it means that not much no all in it. So it's a political show for securing the votes and government on a need to stop it. You want to know the people them out there have it on the road for say government? Them say a certain politician's wife is a landlady and owns some apartment. That's why all I know, no address no make, for ask the landlord them for all off a little bit on the rent. For the wife I go lose if you ask the landlord for use them lenience and conscience. Mr. and Mrs. Government, the people them start do the maths. Because them say all these years them been working and paying tax. Why in this time of crisis them can't get something reasonable back? They don't want to take them for idiot. I give them basket for carry water, 5 light, rent, food, etc. etc. Then how you fit take look at 2 pounds, manage so much expense? Government, but see we not expect to live free, but we not earn nothing. And we depend curfew. So if no money now come in and the bills them still are dropping, what do expect poor people to do? Just like how you tell us no outside, use the same strategy to ask the people to hold off on the utility bills, mortgage and loans because the people don't have no money. Right now, we don't even sure what's worse. Because between the pandemic and the political abuse, one or the other put people in a hearse. And it's not like so we can't even go out there, go offer support to a grieving family friend. For social distancing dictatorship, already say not more than 10. We're afraid to go to the hospital. Because if you ever go bright and cough, me here to the hospital will put you out. Serious, me not laugh. A young lady went to have her baby and just through neglect, a young baby is now left crying, motherless. Government, no use to hear with children's cry. So how you play deaf? We want justice for Jodian. We want justice for Jasmine. We want justice for every slackness. So government, what you doing? Jamaicans live where you vacate. That's nice. But suppose we turn it around. Can Jamaicans vacate where they live when no dollars now flow down? Yes, it now flow down, for it's stuck up atop. For only politicians and them friend it would seem can make the North Coast as them favorite stop. That's why if we stop dash road palm people when them migrate and go live a foreign. For the pressure take them and them don't know what else to do. So them say, make them just try a new thing. This might not be your situation. You might not be able to relate. For someone who never try to understand a situation until the same situation reach on a gate. You remember when me did ask the government to send for the pitting them down out China? Remember some of no insensitive behavior? Make them turn there. We don't want them down, yeah. We don't want them go infect Jamaica. But the last time me check the COVID-19 meter, are over 300 cases now of Miss Corona. The attitude towards the 43 on the boat was pretty much the same. But it's only in a matter of weeks we had no choice than to accept the 46 US deportee on the plane. And government, I choose to not expect the people them to pay for the hotel when them come quarantine for the 14 days. Really? You have money to build statue in a mobile but can't build real people in a real life? Government, you have to change on the dirty ways. You know what we send back for Tanya for them girl them out no nice. But government, why everything what you enjoy are we people for pay the price? So why you think the look of you them a mobile end up a play them game thing there? And why you think other else look at you about the place gets strap up and make people get dash way? It's because them don't see no other else way out in a these hard time. So they make up their mind to serve the sentence since being poor is a crime. Only nobody watch foreign with $1,200 stimulus check. Cause $1,200 are just part of 1 month's rent, darling. So even though we there foreign are the same sad song everybody are sing. Government look like the whole of them a play one look a game. With them alone know the rules. Them use the taxes to beat we and the laws to restrict we and the people them ever get abused. We are stay home and comply. But the bills them still a get sky high. So whether yard or foreign, we have the same question. Government, what's the plan? Run over to my YouTube channel now and subscribe. And follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Sandrama.